Hello friends! Today I'd like to show you how to use Canva, an online platform that can be used for creating lots of things such as business cards, video thumbnails, invitations for your birthday, etc. etc. So, as you can see here, I have a lot of YouTube videos in front of me, and those things that you see here are the thumbnails, or in other words, the initial pictures of those videos, the showcases of those videos. And they need to be appealing so that people are tempted to click on them. Alright? Now let me show you how to create thumbnails with the use of Canva. This is Canva, which has both free and a subscribed version, and I'd highly recommend to use the subscribed one because it has a lot of perks. But you can use the free one too, however it's much more limited than the subscribed one. So let's start creating a thumbnail, alright? I hit on the search button for the YouTube thumbnails term, okay? And it displays many thumbnail templates that I can use, and I'm gonna choose for my example this one here, okay? Customize. And now I can use this template however I like. I can change the background color, I can remove this dude here and add a different object or a different person. I can change the fonts and the colors of those and of course what they write here. So I can basically change whatever I want in this template, okay? For instance, I might want to make this green, the background color. I go to the color section, I pick green. This looks fine to me. And now let's assume that I have a few strategies on how to make passive income, okay? So top 5 strategies. Let's make this smaller so that it fits. Top 5 strategies for passive income. Also, I'm gonna enlarge this so that it can fit. Wait a sec. And now I'm gonna fit it in the shaping, okay? Now let's assume I wanna add a different person here, or a different symbol. How do I do that? In the upload section, you can see all of the items that I have uploaded for my own projects and my own thumbnails on Canva, okay? In order to upload your own pictures, you just gotta hit this button here and choose the files that you need to upload so that you can add them in your project later. So let's assume I wanna add this person here. Alright, I click on him, and I'm gonna add him here, but I wanna remove the background of this picture. Alright, I don't wanna have this white thing over here. So this is a PNG picture, which means that I can remove its background. And in order to do this thing, I gotta click this button here, and then this button here, the BG remover. So once I do that, the background has been removed, okay? And the white thing is no longer here. I can also enlarge that person and make it look like this. Once I'm done creating this thumbnail, I can save it on my computer by clicking here and then here. Just keep in mind that this is the resolution of the file, okay? You can make it as very big if you wish, but since this is a thumbnail, you can make it bigger than 2 megabytes, so you'd rather keep this short, okay? Once you're done here, click the download button and you're good to go. You now have this thumbnail on your computer and you can use it on a YouTube video as a thumbnail. Alright? Just one last thing I want to add here is that the trick that I showed you with the background removal can only be done with PNG pictures, okay? So keep that in mind as well. If you wanna do this little trick I just did here by removing the background, this can be done with PNG pictures. Also, let's not forget, the templates that have this little symbol here can only be used in the subscribed version for free. Otherwise, you're gonna have to pay €2 in the free version of Canva. So keep that in mind as well, okay? Now let's assume that I wanna make a thumbnail for a cooking video on YouTube, okay? So what I'm gonna do is hit cooking YouTube thumbnails here on the search bar, and it's gonna display all of the cooking templates, and I can choose the one that I like the most. I'm gonna pick this one for our example. Let's assume that I want to make a pancake tutorial on YouTube and I want to make a thumbnail for this particular video, okay? What I'm going to do is to erase the old photo here with delete. Use my pancake picture and simply drag it in here. And then I'm just gonna add a title, a relevant title, okay? Pancake recipe. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller and maybe I'm just gonna drag this down here, okay? As always, I can make all kinds of changes to the image, okay? For instance, let's say I want to change the background color and make it look like this, for instance. Hey? Or I might want to remove those objects for whatever reason. Also, I forgot to mention, this image was taken from Chad Montano from mansplash.com, okay? The image was taken from this person, so if you want more images like that, you know where to find them, okay? Now let's go back to the video. Once I'm done with this video, I can save it like this. But I must keep it shorter than 2 megabytes, so the quality of the video must be as small as possible so that it is accepted by YouTube as a thumbnail, okay? I'm hitting the download button and we're done. And this is it. Now I have this thumbnail and I can use it on my video as well. Just to show you how these thumbnails would appear, this is how our first thumbnail looks like. And this is how the second thumbnail looks like. Alright? So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it and please consider liking and subscribing in case you found this video useful. I was Stefanos and have a good day or night.